a high-strung woman, crazy like her big bad mama. She got mad 'cause her man cheated on her, burned her bacon in a microwave oven. She grabbed her gun, cocked it, then she said, "You'll be dead before the day is done." Like a chicken, he ran for the door. You ain't ever gonna cheat on Henrietta anymore. Chicken bud, little lion chicken bud. Henrietta chased him round the truck, chased him round the barn. There he went 90 miles an hour around the farm. Poor old chicken bud never had a chance. She made him do a little bullet dance. She twirled her gun as she chased him around, chased him up and down every road in town. Like a chicken with his butt bullet sore. You ain't ever gonna cheat on Henrietta anymore. Chicken bud, little lion chicken bud. You done gone and made Henrietta madder than an old wet hen. And now you're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Henrietta said you cheated on me. Now I'm gonna put you down 6 feet deep. You hurt me bad, you did me wrong. You let her break up our happy home. She grabbed her gun, cocked it, then she said, "You better run, I'm gonna shoot you dead." You had your fun, it's time for war. You ain't ever gonna cheat on Henrietta anymore. Chicken bud, little lion chicken bud. He said, "Henrietta, I'm sorry I did you wrong. Please let me come back home." She laughed and flipped back her hair and said, "Little old Henrietta's gonna shoot you dead. Got 10 shots left and keeping score. You ain't ever gonna cheat on Henrietta anymore." Chicken bud, little lion chicken bud. You're gonna die, 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 die. Grabbed a gun. She grabbed a gun, cocked it, then she said, "You'll be dead before the day is done." Like a chicken, he ran. Chicken bud, little lion chicken bud. She said, "Run while you can. I'm gonna shoot you dead. I'm gonna shoot you dead." Chicken bud, little lion chicken bud. Little lion chicken bud.